Writing an ebook starts with a great idea, but how do you find a topic that will resonate with readers and lead to sales? The key is to choose a subject you're passionate about and that aligns with your expertise. What unique knowledge or skills do you possess? What problems can you help people solve? Once you have a few ideas, it's essential to research the market. Are people already buying ebooks on this topic? Is there an audience hungry for more information? Use tools like Amazon's bestseller lists, Google Trends and keyword research to gauge interest and identify potential competitors. Remember, your ebook needs a target audience. Who are you writing this for? What are their interests, pain points, and aspirations? Defining your ideal reader will help you tailor your content and marketing efforts for maximum impact. Choosing the right ebook topic is crucial for success. By combining your passion, expertise, and market demand, you'll be well on your way to crafting an ebook that readers will love. Now that you have a winning ebook topic, it's time to start writing. Begin by creating a detailed outline. Break down your ebook into chapters and subtopics, ensuring a logical flow of information. This structure will act as your roadmap throughout the writing process. When writing your ebook, focus on delivering high-quality, engaging content. Use clear and concise language that's easy for your target audience to understand. Incorporate examples, case studies, and actionable steps to make your content practical and valuable. Don't be afraid to infuse your unique voice and personality into your writing. Let your passion for the topic shine through. This will make your ebook more enjoyable to read and help you connect with readers on a deeper level. Writing an ebook can be a significant undertaking, but it's also an incredibly rewarding experience. By staying organized, focused, and committed to delivering exceptional content, you'll create an ebook that you're proud to share with the world. Congratulations on finishing your ebook manuscript. Now it's time to package your content into a professional and reader-friendly format. The first step is choosing the right ebook format. PDF is a universal format that works on most devices, while EPUB and MOBI are specifically designed for e-readers. Once you've chosen your format, you can start designing the layout of your ebook. Use a clean and legible font, appropriate spacing, and a consistent style guide throughout. Incorporate visuals such as images, charts, and graphs to break up the text and make your ebook more visually appealing. Don't underestimate the importance of a captivating cover. Your ebook cover is the first thing potential readers will see, so it needs to grab their attention and convey the essence of your book. Consider hiring a professional designer to create a cover that stands out in a crowded marketplace. A well-formatted and visually appealing ebook enhances the reading experience and makes your content more accessible and enjoyable. By paying attention to these details, you'll create a professional product that readers will appreciate. With your ebook polished and ready to go, it's time to share it with the world. You have several publishing options, including selling directly through your website, using platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or distributing through a combination of channels. Once your ebook is published, it's time to get strategic with marketing. Develop a pre-launch strategy to generate buzz and build anticipation for your ebook's release. Leverage social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your sales page. Consider collaborating with influencers in your niche to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Offer your ebook for free or at a discounted price for a limited time to incentivize early adoption and encourage reviews. The journey doesn't end at launch. Continuously engage with your readers, respond to feedback, and consider updating your ebook with fresh content to keep it relevant and valuable. Publishing and marketing your ebook can feel overwhelming, but it's an exciting step in sharing your knowledge and expertise with the world. By implementing effective marketing strategies and engaging with your audience, you can turn your ebook into a successful venture.